So let's just say the weirdest news coming out of Philadelphia was that guy right there, Chase Sexton, changing mechanics. And obviously, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but I'm pretty sure the mechanic that he had came over with him from Honda. So in the, I want to say middle of the season, but it's really the end of the season, with only a couple rounds, 2, 3 rounds, whatever it is left, to just switch mechanics without any word from it. And it's just a strange look. I mean, obviously, at the moment he's sitting fourth in the overall point standings, whatever, 43 points behind Jet Lawrence. Let's say the actual, Jet Lawrence the champion at this point, probably. So fourth, not a bad year. Obviously, won last year, switched teams, and you probably expected him to be more of a title contender this year. I mean, again, fourth, great, but kind of a quiet fourth. It's not like he's been really challenging Cooper, Webb, or Jet Lawrence at all. He's just kind of been there, earning points, which is good. Obviously he's not injured, he's not missing races. He's just kind of quiet. I don't know how you want to put it, but it's one of those weird things that if you bring a mechanic over from your last team who you won last year with, and then, you know, what, 16, 17 rounds into this, he's like, nah, we're going to go to a new guy. And I could be wrong about this. He could have been sick. It could have been a family emergency. It could have been, I don't know, any number of reasons, but nothing was announced. It was just, hey, here's this new guy that's working for me. Nobody look at it. Don't worry. you know, and who knows? I mean, obviously, I think he finished second this week in Philly, or today, I guess I want to say it when I'm recording this. So like a good result for him, but it's just a weird look. If you're gonna bring somebody over from another team with you, and then if this is, that's hypothetical. I'm gonna preface this as saying I don't know. This is a hypothetical. Let's say he brought him over from Honda, wasn't happy with it, or something wasn't clicking between the mechanic and the team, or who knows what, and then you fire him. It sucks for that guy. You switch teams, you follow the person, and now you're done. Who knows? I mean, I be completely wrong. I could be very far off on that. And like I said, it could be an emergency, it could be a sickness. Who knows? But to me, it's a weird look. And from the what you can find on Twitter, if you search it, it's pretty much the consensus as far as I'm seeing is a bad look. Bad look on KTM, bad look for Sexton, just not good. But I don't know. You guys in the comments below, you tell me. What do you think about it? Is he switching full time? Is it like I said, a weekend off, sickness, whatever it is, or just nothing to read into? I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.